Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do the game integration in SignalRGB. Basically, there's multiple ways to do this depending on your game. If you're playing something like Counter-Strike 2, Apex Legends, Valorant, or something similar, there's going to be ways in order to do this. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the official SignalRGB on the SignalRGB game integration tutorials. Basically, from here, we have different games that we can go ahead and integrate SignalRGB to. For example, let's select one of the most popular games out there, which is going to be Apex Legends. In here, you have to do the following. Now, of course, install SignalRGB. And from there, you want to make sure to head over to the game settings of Apex Legends. In here, you want to apply the following, which is to set your display mode onto full screen or borderless. You can disable any color filters such as the colorblind mode if applicable. From there, you then want to reset your game, and then you will be able to head over to the next step right here. You also want to disable the game interface mods, and then for your Windows display setting, you can just follow along. Basically, that's how you do it, and then we have to install the Apex Legends integration. Now, to install those integrations, you want to navigate through the application of SignalRGB, and from here, let's then follow the main instruction, which is to search Apex Legends, and then it will take us to the page of Apex Legends. So from here, you then want to get the points, or you want to get the integration with the Apex Legends right here. And basically from there, you can customize this the way you want to, like the legend selection, the health bar and shield bar, and more. And that's basically how you do it. Just navigate through the official SignalRGB game integration instruction, and from there you are good to go. So if you select something like Counter-Strike 2, it will be a different slightly. So we have some additional settings right here that we have to edit, but generally you want to do the same thing, which is to install the Counter-Strike integration on the application right here, and then we can adjust it normally. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.